Alright guys, welcome to another exciting video. Today we're going to be doing a manual activation for Simple Mobile Service. Alright, the first step is going to be go to web browser. We're going to go ahead and open up the TF-DAP portal. Alright, once we're at the TracFone Dealer Support portal, we're going to go ahead, log in. We're going to click on Incom Solutions. You're going to go ahead and type in your user logins. Alright, once we're at the portal, you're going to have a couple pop-ups pop up. Go ahead and read them, make sure everything's good. Now in order to activate, you'll go to the Activation tab. You'll hit TSP Activation. You're going to select your brand. In this case, we're using Simple Mobile, so we'll go ahead and choose Simple Mobile. We're doing a new activation on a new account. Once this screen prompts up, we're going to go ahead and look at three different things. We're going to look at the activation. The BYOP. The BYOP is bring your own phone. This is when a customer brings a phone, it's either unlocked or it was prior on T-Mobile service. A branded device is a phone that has a SIM card included inside the phone already. That's usually something that's branded to us as far as Total Wireless, Simple Mobile, Car Smarts, or GPS location services that we offer as well. They also come with hotspot. So now once we select what we want to do, in this case we're going to do BYOP. Alright, we're going to go ahead and select the plan that's desired. In this case we're going to do the $50 plan. Then we scroll down to the SIM card number. You type in your SIM card number. Alright, once this process is done, we'll go ahead and hit zip code. We'll type in the customer zip code. Alright, now the next step is very important and it's crucial. So is this a port? If a port, click yes and fill in the required information. One thing I will point out in this video is the customer's account number. It is crucial that this customer's account number is verified. We can verify this by calling the company directly and verifying that account number as well as the account PIN. If either of these two are off, the whole port will have to be redone. Alright. Now we scroll back up and we're going to hit no on the port. Alright, once we're here, we can go ahead and add line to order. You calculate the discount and then submit. If you have any more questions, please contact your admin administrator.